Welcome to this YouTube channel. In the last video, I have discussed about calculus problem which is asked in GATE 2004 to 2000, 2004 to 2008, 2005 to 2008 I have covered in last video. 2009 onwards I will discuss here. Okay, let's start the first question. First question is from the Taylor series. The Taylor series expansion of sin x by x minus pi 8 x is equal to pi is given by. We have to find out the Taylor series expansion. We know that Taylor series expansion formula. If fx is any function is given, then Taylor series f pi means any arbitrary signals, arbitrary terms. Pi may be a, all the things. It will be f pi f pi and then plus f s pi upon factorial 1 and then here x minus pi, okay, plus x minus pi whole square f dash pi factorial 2 and so on. So here is the fx is given, fx is given sin x upon x minus pi. Okay, so first find out f pi. Limit pi tends to 0, then what will happen? Sin pi upon x pi minus pi. It will be 0 by 0. So apply L'Hospital, then what will happen? Limit x tends to pi. So apply L'Hospital, then what will happen? Cos pi upon sorry, 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 sorry. Sorry. 1 minute. Yeah, it will be happen cos x upon 1. Then put limit x tends to pi. Then what will happen? Pi is equal to minus 1. Cos pi is equal to minus 1 upon 1. It will be minus 1. Okay. And now differentiate it. F dash x. F dash x will be differentiated. Then what will happen? Here x minus pi u by v and cos x minus sin x into 1 upon x minus pi whole square. When you are going to put the limit x tends to 0, then x tends to pi, x tends to pi, then what will happen? Here, from here, when you put the x tends to x equal to pi, so you will get here 0 minus 0 and 0, 0 by 0. Once again you have to apply the L'Hospital and check it. Then you will get f dash pi, is equal to 0 in similar way, kind differentiate it and you will get the L'Hospital. Numerator separately and the denominator separately you differentiate it, then you will get 2x minus pi. Okay, and if from here above, from above you will get x minus pi into minus sin x and plus cos x and here minus sin x cos x, then it will be cancel out. As x minus pi, this one cancel out. When you will put the pi, then you will get 0. Okay, and similar way you can find out f dash double dash pi and you will get minus 1 by 6. In option, two terms, up to 2 terms is given, so that's why I have find out only 2 terms. Okay, and put it in formula, then fx is f pi plus f dash pi upon factorial 1 x minus pi plus f double dash pi pi factorial to x minus pi whole square. Okay, so f pi is equal to f pi with how much is given? Minus 1 plus x minus pi into 0 plus x minus pi whole square, and f double dash x is equal to minus 1 by 6 and factorial to 2 into 1 12. Okay, so minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 12 x minus pi whole square. So answer will be minus 1 and 12. We can write the factorial 3 also, no problem, factorial 3 also. So minus 1 minus x minus pi factorial 3. So option B will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. This one is the GATE 2010 for 2 marks. If e to power y and x to power 1 by x, then y has a. We have to find out the maximum minimum. Taking natural log in both sides, then y is equal to what will happen? 1 by x log x, and take the differentiation dy dx. What will happen? 1 by x into 1 by x plus log x into minus 1 by x square. Take it 1 by x square common and 1 minus log x. Okay, and put dy by dx is equal to 0, which is the basic, and 1 minus log x is equal to 0, log x is equal to 1, then x is equal to a. Okay, because this one is the exponential. Then take the second derivative, then 3 square by dx square, then 1 by x square, and 0 minus 1 by x. Okay, and plus 1 minus log x and minus 2 by x by 3. So we can say that 1 by x cube minus 1 x cube minus 2 by x cube and 1 minus log x. When you put x is equal to e, then what will happen? Here x is equal to e, this one will be log 1, 1 minus 1 0, it will be the 0, and here you will get the negative. Negative, it indicates the it x is equal to e, it will be maximum value. If negative sign is coming, that's why it will be the maximum value. So negative sign is therefore y has a maximum value at x is equal to e. Y has maximum at x is equal to e. Option A will be the right answer. Minimum at x is equal to not, and maximum at x is not. Okay. If a vector x, y, ax, unit vector x is unit vector plus x square ay is given, we have to find out the closed interval a dot dl over the path shown in the figure. We have to uh, we have to integrate this curve. A is curve. Yeah, this one is the curve A vector, and we have to rotate the path. Okay, so let us consider this name nomenclature A, B, C, and D. So if you are taking the closed interval A vector dl, it means you are taking integral A to B A dl plus B to C A dl and plus C to D A dl plus D to A D to A D. Okay, and now check it. So close interval A TL is equal to A to B. A to B, what is happening? Sorry, direction we have taken wrong. Okay, so we have to take direction B to A to D, D to C and C to B, because the direction. Okay, we can take the negative sign, no problem, and move it A to B. When you move A to B, and then you are going only y direction. Okay, then y direction to take the limit negative, because the option the direction is given on negative opposite side of the whatever we have taken. Okay, so a a a limit y moving 1 to 3. Okay, so 1 to 3 dl. Okay, and here is dl will be dy, dy. Okay, dy, and once again negative sign b to c, negative, and p to c, b to c moving 1 by root 3 to 2 by root 3, 1 by root 3 to 2 by root 3, and a dx, a dx, a dx, and c to d, c to d once again y direction. So c to d, what will happen? 3 to 1, 3 to 1, a, and dy, dy, plus d to a, d to a x direction. So d to a 2 root 3, 2 by root 3 upon 1 by root 3 a dx. Okay, now okay, here is will be negative sign, because opposite we have taken, so negative. Then if you are changing limit, then you will get the positive also. So 3 to 1, no problem, it will be positive. Whatever x is given, x y ax, x y ax, plus y is given x square ay and dy. Okay, because dy, dy vector dot product 3 to 1, and now here also change the limit, no problem, and you will get the positive sign, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and x y ax vector plus x square ay vector into dx, plus xy ax vector plus x square ay vector and dy for 1 to 3, plus here 1 by root 3 to 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, x y ax plus x square ay and dx, dot product dot vector. After dot product, what will happen? Dy will you will get, other things not you will get. But here dy unit vector. So here is there ay unit vector, ax unit vector, ay unit vector, and ax unit vector also. Say here extra value not be x square you will get, but x square is constant term, because you are integrating in y direction. Okay, so x square is a constant term, and how much is constant here? Here is the constant 1 by root 3 only. Okay, so x square and limit for this one, after multiplication this one will be the 0, and here is the unit 1, the x square is the unit x square you will get, and dy, dy integration 1 minus 3, and x square is, what is the x square at x, what is the x here, 1 by root 3. So we can write the for this one 1 by root 3 whole square, plus here dx, you will get only dx, and dx x square y x square by 2, y x square by 2 you will get, and for x square limit is 2y root 3, sorry, 2y root 3, 1y root 3, and y is here, y is here 3 only. Next step we will take, okay. And no, we have to take care of it because not this. So here we can say that is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus, and take to 2 outside, 1 by 3 upon 4 by 3, okay. And for this one, for 1 by 3, once again dy, for here only y, x square is constant, and here is the x value is 2y root 3. So 2y root 3, 2y root 3 plus 2y root 3 whole square, and value is 2y root 3 and 3 minus 2, here 2 plus plus, and once again you will get from your dx x square by 2 y x square by 2, here is the y is 1 1, and x square by 2 x square value, x square limit, you will get 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, okay. And simplify it from above here, 1 by 3 into minus 2, okay, plus plus, yeah, minus 3 by 3 minus 1, and you will get 3 by 2, and from 2 by 3, and plus plus here 4 by 3 into 2, and from here 1 plus 1, okay. So you will get minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 8 by 3 plus 1, okay. So common 6 minus 4 minus 9 plus 8 plus 6, 13 14, 1 by 6, answer is 1 by 6 is coming. Look at what it is, wrong answer. 1 by 2 first term, 8 by 3, 8 by 3 is right. 1 by 2 from where you will taking the 1 by 2, something mistake I have done. P to wait, A to D, A to D, A to D, fourth one, A to D, A to D, A to D, A to D, fourth one, fourth one, A to D, divided 3, divided 3, and dx y1 divided y1, y1, y1 x square by 2, y1 then x square by 2, y1, hmm, mistake I found, yeah, here is y1 and x square by 2, then x square by 2, what will happen, 4 by 3, so here is the 1 by 2 here also, here 1 by 2, here is 1 by 2, x square by 2, so 1 by x square by 2, and 2, so here it will be 3, oh no, once again, then 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 8 by 3, 8 by 3, 0 right, and 3 by 2, 2 by 3, okay. Now we will get the Right answer 1 by 2. Oh, missing. So then here 6 is common, and after that 6 is common. 4 to 9, and here 16, 16, and 16 and 6, 22, and 30. See the option. How is it possible? 6, 6, 4 minus 4 minus 9, 16, and here you will get, sorry, 6 not 6, 3. Okay, so 16 and 3 19, and here 13 with 6, 6 by 6. So 1 answer, sorry for delay. Option C will be the right answer. Now, consider a closed surface as surrounding a volume V if R is the position vector of a point inside S with unit vector normal S of the value of integral 5 R closed surface integral 5 R and ds is. So we can convert in volume integral and del into height r vector dv. So del into r is equal to what will happen? 1 by r square del by del r and r square r. Okay, so it will be 3 r square dot r square. So it will be 3 and 5 close b del r dv. 5 into 3b 15b. So right answer will be 15b. The maximum value of fx in the interval, we have to find out the maximum value of the fx. Sorry, yeah, 21 is missing. Okay, no problem. 22. The maximum value of fx, maximum value of fx we have to find out. So first f plus x, then 3x square minus 18x plus 24 is equal to 0. When you take the 3x square and 18x, 3x square and 18x, then you will get factor x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 4 and 3 multiplication. Okay, so because of when you take the 3, then you will get 3. So x is equal to 2 and 4. Add the take the double differentiation. Have that x is equal to 6x minus 15. Okay, when you take put the 2, when you put the put 2 to show fx is equal to 2, then it will be minus 6. 8 x is equal to 2 minus 6. Okay, and as well as 8x is equal to 4, then positive. So it will be a, you have to check that this one is the local maximum or minimum. So local maximum, local or local maxima. This one is the local maxima, and this one here local minimum, minimum. Okay, local maxima, local minima. Then we have to find out the so we have to check it absolute maximum. Okay, the interval. So whenever is the closed interval given now, put it the maximum value and interval value for exact interval value. So f1 is equal to 1 minus 9 minus 9 plus 24 plus 5. Then how much you will getting? Uh, then 4 4 20 21. Okay, 21 at f is equal to 2. You whatever the value is given at maximum local maximum point we got. So here is doing 8 minus 4 36 and plus 48 plus 5, you will get 25. F 6 6, you will get 41. So like maximum value is 46 41, sorry 41 at 6 6 8.6. Consider a vector field A or a closed loop line integral ADL can be expressed as, according to our Stokes theorems, it will be converted into surface and this one will be open. Okay, so option D will be the right option. The divergence of a vector field A is, we know that divergence formula del dot A vector, del dot A vector is equal to del dot A vector is equal to del y del x A x del y del y y del y del z A z dot x ax plus y ay plus z az. Okay, so it will be, what will happen? Only same value will be differentiate 1 and 1, then we will get the answer. Now comes to next question. The Taylor series expansion of 3 sin x plus cos 2 cos x is fx is equal to 0. If point is not given, means x, at x is equal to 0 we have to find out. Fx is equal to 3 sin x plus 2 cos x is given. So first of all find out f0. So it will be 2. Okay. Now differentiate it. F dash x. Okay. 3 terms is given on option. So we have to calculate after 3 terms. So 3 cos x minus 2 sin x, and f dash 0 will be 3. Okay. F double dash x minus 3 sin x minus 2 cos x. Okay. So f double dash 0 will be minus 2. Okay. So fx is equal to f0 plus f dash 0 factorial 1 f double dash 0 factorial 2 plus f equal 0 factorial 3. So f0 is value 2 minus, sorry, here will be get x, here x square, here x. So it's 2 plus x x 3 plus x square by factorial 2 and f dash 0 is minus 2. Okay, and triple x we didn't find. Okay, find out, no problem. Then f triple x is will be minus 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Then it will be f triple 0 will be minus 3. Okay, so here it will be minus 3 x cube by factorial 3. So option will be here to 2 plus 3x plus x square and factorial 2, 2 to cancel out. So minus x square minus minus 3 we cancel out, then x cube and it will be factorial 2 means 2. So 2 plus 3x, 2 plus 3x minus x square, x square. Option A will be right answer. Option A will be right answer. This one basic formula question only. The volume under surface z is equal to z axis y is equal to x plus y, and above the triangular in x minus y plane define uh, 0 to x, and x is 0 to 12. Okay, 0 to x and x to get 2040 for the volume under the surface. Surface, what is the surface here? Here is the z x plus y, and here is the y is very 0 to x, मतलब कि it means say y is equal to x, okay, and x is 0 to 12. This one is x, this one y, and here it will be 12, 12. Okay, so we have to integrate the volume. We have to find out the volume under this so volume is equal to double integration z dx dy. So z is equal to x plus y dx dy, and here 0 to 12, 0 to x, x plus y dx dy, and from 0 to 12, 0 to in double integration. If you have to limit is given x, then you have to integrate y only. Okay, y term. So then dx will be the constant. So y will be then xy plus y square by 2 and dx, and then here will be limit change, it will convert into limit. Okay, then here 0 to x, and when we put the 0 to x, then what will happen? 0 to 12, and here x square, then you will get x square plus x square by 2 dx, and it will be x cube 3x square by 2, then here x cube by 2 into 3, and 0 to 12, and here 12 into 12 into 12 upon 6. So here you will get also 3 cancel out, then here we will get 2 only. So then here we will get 6. 144 into 144 into 6, we will get 864 only. Now comes to next question. For 0 to t, 0 to infinity, the maximum value of the function at t is equal to occur at t is given e to the minus t minus 2 e to the minus t. Okay, so first of all, first differentiation minus e to minus t plus 2 e to minus t. Okay. Something mistake I did. Question is also 2t. So here will be 4 to 2t. Okay, is equal to 0. Then what will happen? You will get 4 e to minus 2t is equal to e to power minus t. It will become this side. Then e to power minus t is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so t is equal to, you will get log e to power 4, log e to power 4. So function that is occur at maximum value, and now take it double differentiation, then what will happen? Plus e to the minus t, then minus 8 e to the minus minus 2t. So when you will put the t is equal to log e to power 4, then you will get the negative sign here. Then it will be maximum occur at t is equal to log e power 4. So option A will be the answer. The value of limit x, very simple. This one is the limit x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to infinity and 1 plus 1 by x x. In such a type of question, means here is the undefined because of 1 to power infinity. In that case, you will get exponential only. Okay, you will get exponential, and yeah, you can solve it in easy way. In whatever your x is given, x, and whatever your below denominator base is given 1 plus 1 by x minus 1, then you will get uh, minus minus cancel, x minus cancel, b. Because of such type of question, for such a x tends to 0. Okay, 1 plus, let's see, 1 plus sin x, and here is the cosec x. Then what we will do? Here x tends to 0. It means here 1 and sin 0 is 0, and cosec x 1 by sin x, and it will be the infinity 1 to power infinity. So for this one, e to power cosec x into 1 plus sin x minus 1 means power e to power same will be the same power, but we have to put the base and subtract 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, then it's 1, then you will get the e right answer. Okay, this such type of question we can solve this way. Now, the maximum value of the function f(x) is equal to log ln 1 plus x minus x occur at. We have to find out where it will be the occur maximum value. So f(x) is given ln 1 plus x minus x. F dash x will be 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So you will get 1 equal to 1 plus x, and or x is equal to 0. Now differentiate is double differentiation. Double differentiation. So double x a minus 1 by 1 plus x square, and this one will be 0. When you will put the 0, then you will get a negative value, negative 1. Negative, it means 8 x is equal to 0, it will be, you will get a maximum value, and 8 x is equal to 0. So that answer will be 8 x is equal to 0. Now comes to the question. The maximum value of f(x) is equal to, and in the interval 0 to 3, in closed interval, we have to find out f(x) is equal to 2x cube minus 9 x square plus 12x minus 3. So f dash x is equal to 6x square minus 18x plus 12. Okay, so put it, f dash x is equal to 0 and 6, take it common, x square minus 3x plus 2. So x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, you will get 2 or 1. Okay, 2 or 1. The maximum value of f(x). We have to find out the maximum value. Where is the maximum value? Okay, so first double differentiation, then you will get 12x minus 80. Okay, when you will put the 1, at x equal to 1, x equal to 1, then f double x equal to minus 6, and you will get the negative sign. Means at x equal to 1 you will get the maximum value. Then f double x 0 2, then you will get negative. So 1, and from 1 we onwards we have to check it maximum value. Okay, then f1 is equal to how much? 2 minus 9 plus 12 minus 3. Then you will get uh, minus 12. Here you will check 12 and check it f3 maximum value. Okay, and 3 at 3 what will happen? 2, 3 into 3 into 3 minus 9 into 9 minus 36 plus 36 minus 3. Then you will get 9, 27, 54 minus 81 plus 36 minus 3. Then what will happen? 54, 60, 90. 90, 90 minus 81 minus then you will get 9 and 6. So the right answer value is 6. You have to take it up to 3 maximum. The series convergence to given that n is equal to 0 to infinity. So convert into 0. Then n is equal to 0, 1 by factorial 0, 1 by factorial 1, 1 by factorial 2, 1 by factorial 4. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2, sorry, factorial 3 and factorial 4, and 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24. When you convert e to power x exponential, then you will get 1 plus x plus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 6 x cube and 1 by 24 x. When you put x equal to 1, e to power 1, then 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24 like this way. So it will be e is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity 1 by equivalent. So option D is right answer. For a right angle triangle, if the sum of the length of the hypotenuse and a side of is kept constant, in order to have between the hypotenuse and side is right angle triangle is given. Okay, here is the B and this one is the H, then is A. So H square will be A square plus B square, and given that A plus H is equal to constant. Okay, so area is equal to 1 half A plus B, and B can write as half A H square minus A square. So, so A plus H, A plus H, sorry, A plus H is constant and we consider K. Okay, so area is equal to half A root under A plus H A and H is equal to K minus A. K minus A square minus A square. So it will be half A root under K square minus 2KA plus A square minus A square. So okay. So after differentiation del a by del a in terms of a, because we take it the variable a. So what will happen? You will get half root under k square minus 2ka plus half root under, sorry, half a, and for this one, for differentiation of this one, once again half, once again half, and you will get uh, half, and minus half, half to power minus 1 and half minus half, root k square minus 2ka, and here k square 0 minus 2k. So after simplification we will get the 0, then half, and we will get k square minus 2ak minus ak upon root under k square minus 2ka is equal to 0. So k minus 3a equal to 0. You will get k equal to 0 and k equal to 3a. So h will be, k will be not 0 because it is constant term. So k 3a, k is 3a, so h will be 2a. Okay, h will be equal to a. So theta will be cos inverse a by 2a, and then h by a, a by 2h, then it will be cos inverse 1 by 2 and 6 degree. Okay, now question. If R is given x ax, y ay, z z, mod R is equal to R, then divergence R square del ln R is equal to, show divergence is divergence of, we have to find out R square dot dot, because after differentiation 1 by r, 1 by r, and we will get from here del r del x plus del r upon del y ay plus del r az az. Okay, so divergence r, this one, r cancel out, and r del r upon del x x r r del r del y plus ay plus r del z del z del z. So this one will be, put the r is equal to r as is after, put the r is equal to ax, so x ax, y ay, z az, then what will happen? Then dot product, this one will be dot, x term will be you will get the x term only, x ax, uh, after differentiation x s and r, you will get r also. Okay, to show divergence, then after putting the r value, then r, and here from here this one r, okay. R is equal to x x x y ay and z az. So r ax ay plus az, then r is equal to divergence del x as plus del del y ay plus a del z, and dot product, because we are taking the divergence, then r x plus r ay plus r A. Okay. Then after divergence, what will happen? Uh, del R upon del X plus del upon del R upon del Y del R upon del A. So you will get 1 plus 1 plus 1. Given a vector A, cos x sin ax and sin x cos y, where x, y denote the unit vector along the xy direction respectively, the magnitude curl of vector A. Magnitude curl, curl means top cross product, del cross A we have to find out. So it will be x, ay and unit vector. Okay, so cos x, sorry, del y del x del y del y del y del y. Then cos x sin y sin x cos y and 0. After simplification, you will get 0. No, no. Oh, question. 35% will be last question for today lecture. The magnitude of the gradient for function fxy is equal to x square plus by square plus z square at the point 1 1 1 each. Magnitude of gradient. We have to find out the magnitude of the gradient, and this one will be del f. Okay, and it will be del f by del x ax plus del f by del y ay plus del f by del z az. Okay, then x means you will get a 2x x plus 6y ay plus 3 z is plus az. When you put the 1 1 1, then 2 sorry x ax plus 6 ay plus 3 az. Okay, then magnitude take, it will be 4 36 plus 9 and 8 will be 49 and 7 will be 27. Did for today, and next video onwards I will discuss